Hello good day viewers, still on coordinate geometry. This is exactly the question we solved yesterday, but in this tutorial I want to show you an alternative approach. The question reads, the line y equal to 2x minus 2 meets the cycle x minus 2 whole squared plus y minus 2 whole squared equal to 20 at point A and B. We ask to show that the line AB is a diameter. Alright, let me start by drawing a cycle and its diameter. So we have a cycle here and its diameter AB. Remember, the equation of this cycle is x minus 2 whole squared plus y minus 2 whole squared equal to 20. And you should also remember the standard form of equation of a cycle, which is given as x minus a whole squared plus y minus b whole squared equal to r squared, where the center of this cycle is always the coordinate a comma b. So if we relate these two equations, we can see that the center of this cycle will be 2 comma 2, right? Therefore the center will be 2 comma 2, for which a is equal to 2 and b is also equal to 2. So we can declare this center as 2 comma 2. So the next thing we need to find are the points A and B. Then we take their midpoints and see whether we're going to get a corresponding value of 2 comma 2. If that is the case, we conclude that line AB is also a diameter. Remember that the equation of this line, which is the diameter, is given as y equal to, let me recall, 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. All right, so we are going to substitute this line into the equation of a cycle, solve and obtain the points of intersection, which are A and B. So the equation is x minus 2 whole squared plus y, which is now equal to this. Instead of this y, we are going to substitute it with 2x minus 2. So we have 2x minus 2 right here. But remember that we have another minus 2. So we are going to subtract 2 here, whole squared. And remember that this is equal to what? 20. Let's simplify this. This is x minus 2 whole squared plus 2x minus 2 is minus 4 whole squared. Let me subtract 20 from both sides. We have minus 20. This is equal to 0. All right, let me expand the two brackets. We have x minus 2 whole squared, which is first term squared, minus, because of that minus sign, 2 times x times 2 is 4x. The negative 2 squared is 4. Then we move to the other bracket. We have 2x squared will give us 4x squared. The minus 2 times 2x is 4x times 4 is 16x. Then negative 4 squared is plus 16. Then we have minus 20. This is equal to 0. We have x squared and 4x squared giving us what? 5x squared. We have negative 4x, negative 16x. That will give us negative 20x. Negative 20x. And we have 4 plus 16, which is 20, and 20 minus 20 is 0, so we only have equal to 0. To the left hand side, we have 5x in common, right? So we have 5x. Inside we have x minus 4, and this is equal to 0. So we are going to set either 5x equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0 and solve the two equations separately. If you divide both sides by 5 here, you have x equal to 0, right? And also, if you take negative 4 to the other side, it becomes positive. We have x equal to 4. So these are the values of x at the point of intersection, but we need the corresponding values of y. Remember that linear equation is y equal to 2x minus 2. We have two values of x. When x is equal to 0, we have y to be equal to 2 multiplied by 0 minus 2. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0, minus 2 is minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. So we have the first coordinate, which is 0, comma, negative 2. 0 for x, negative 2 for y. Then we move to the other point where x is equal to 4. When x equal to 4, we have y equal to 2 multiplied by 4 minus 2. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, and 8 minus 2 is 6, so y is equal to 6. We have another coordinate of 4, comma, 6. So this point right here, we have 0, comma, negative 2, and here we have 4, comma, 6. So the question is, if we take the midpoint of A and B, are we going to get 2, comma, 2? And that's just the question. So now let us compute it down here. If we consider this one as x1, this is y1, we consider this one as x2, this is y2. To find the midpoint, we need to take the coordinates x2 plus x1 divided by 2. Then for y, we take y2 plus y1 divided by 2. This is the coordinate we are looking for. If we substitute, we have x2 as 4 plus x1 as 0, we divide by 2. Then y2, which is 6, plus negative 2, which is the same thing as minus 2, right? Divide by 2 as well. 4 plus 0 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is also 2. You can see that the midpoint is 2, comma, 2, which corresponds to the center of this cycle, and hence we conclude that line AB is a diameter, since the midpoint of AB is exactly equivalent to the center of that cycle. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.